X have just done something genuinely useful. They've added a feature called Cashtags. Basically, when someone mentions a stock or a crypto token in a tweet, like $TSLA or $BTC, you can now tap it and see the live price and chart right there in the app. No flicking out to another tab. It just appears. It's dead simple. You spot a hashtag in a tweet, tap it, and the price loads up instantly. From there, you get an interactive chart. You can switch between 1 hour, 1 day, a week, a month, and so on. And underneath that, you can see the latest tweets mentioning that stock or token. So you've got the data and the chatter in one place. X has always been the place people go for breaking financial news. They reckon billions of dollars get moved every day based on what people read on timeline, but until now, if you wanted to actually check the price, you had to leave the app, open Yahoo Finance or your trading app or whatever. This puts the data right beside the news. For day traders, crypto watchers, or anyone who follows the markets, it's a proper time saver. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Cashtags is just one piece. Elon Musk has been very open about this. He wants X to handle all your money, sending payments, trading stocks, banking, even taking out loans. His vision is something like WeChat app in China, where one app does everything. And his quote was, "If it involves money, it'll be on our platform." It's not all going smoothly though. Some US states have refused X a money transmitter license, which is the basic permission you need before you can move money around for people. Musk wanted full payments rolling out back in 2023, but here we are in 2026 and we've got a stock chart. Useful, but a long way short of replacing your bank. And then there's the bigger question, would you actually trust X with your savings? So what do you reckon? Live charts in tweets, fair enough, but banking with X, would you do it? Drop your answer in the comments.